A classroom.
Whiteboard. Whiteboard. Screen. Screen. Chalkboard. Chalkboard. Teacher instructor. Teacher instructor. LCD projector. LCD projector. Student. Student. Desk. Desk. Headphones. Headphones. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Talk to the teacher. Talk to the teacher. Listen to a recording. Listen to a recording. Stand up. Stand up. Write on the board. Write on the board. Sit down. Take a seat. Sit down. Take a seat. Open your book. Open your book. Close your book. Close your book. Pick up the pencil. Pick up the pencil. Put down the pencil. Put down the pencil. Clock. Clock. Bookcase. Bookcase. Chair. Chair. Map. Map. Alphabet. Alphabet. Bulletin board. Bulletin board. Computer. Computer. Document camera. Document camera. Dry erase marker. Dry erase marker. Chalk. Chalk. Eraser. Eraser. Pencil. Eraser. Pencil eraser. Pencil eraser. Pen. Pen. Pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener. Permanent marker. Permanent marker. Highlighter. Highlighter. Textbook. Textbook. Workbook. Workbook. 3-ring binder. Notebook. 3-ring binder. Notebook. Notebook paper. Notebook paper. Spiral notebook. Spiral notebook. Learner's dictionary. Learner's dictionary. Picture dictionary. Picture dictionary.
Grammar point. There is. There are. There is a map. There are 15 students. Describe your classroom. Take turns.
There's a clock.
There are 20 chairs. Survey your class. Record the responses.
Do you prefer pens or pencils?
Most of us prefer pens. Some of us prefer pencils.
Do you prefer talking or listening?
Most of us prefer. Some of us prefer.